Hi, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, we're going to be talking about HoneyBook, a popular business management software. I'm often asked by my clients if HoneyBook automatically transfers money to their bank accounts. The answer is no. HoneyBook does not automatically transfer money to your bank account. However, there are a few ways that you can get paid using HoneyBook. In this video, I'm going to discuss the following: how to set up HoneyBook to accept payments, how to get paid using HoneyBook, how to transfer money from HoneyBook to your bank account. I hope this information is helpful. How to set up HoneyBook to accept payments. In order to get paid using HoneyBook, you first need to set up your account to accept payments. This can be done by going to the Settings tab and clicking on Payment Settings. Once you're in the Payment Settings section, you'll need to provide your bank account information. This includes your bank name, account number, and routing number. You'll also need to choose a payment processor. HoneyBook supports a number of payment processors, including PayPal, Stripe, and Square. Once you've set up your payment settings, you'll be able to create invoices and send them to your clients. When your clients pay their invoices, the money will be deposited into your HoneyBook account. How to get paid using HoneyBook. There are a few different ways that you can get paid using HoneyBook. The most common way is to send your clients an invoice. When your client pays the invoice, the money will be deposited into your HoneyBook account. You can also get paid using HoneyBook by creating a proposal. Proposals are similar to invoices, but they're more detailed and include a breakdown of the services that you'll be providing. When your client accepts your proposal, the money will be deposited into your HoneyBook account. Another way to get paid using HoneyBook is to use the Quick Pay feature. This feature allows you to send your clients a request for payment. When your client pays the request, the money will be deposited into your HoneyBook account. How to transfer money from HoneyBook to your bank account. Once you have money in your HoneyBook account, you can transfer it to your bank account. To do this, go to the Banking tab and click on Withdraw Funds. You'll need to provide your bank account information again. Once you've done that, you can choose the amount of money that you want to transfer. The money will typically be transferred to your bank account within 1 to 2 business days. Additional tips. HoneyBook offers a variety of payment plans. Be sure to choose the plan that's right for you. HoneyBook also offers a number of other features, such as invoicing, time tracking, and project management. If you have any questions about HoneyBook, you can contact their customer support team. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thank you for watching.